Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Fahim Mushtaq. We are discussing the mathematics for cryptography from our last two lectures. This is actually the lecture series of cryptography and network security. Today we are going to discuss the congruence operation. In cryptography, we often use the concept of congruence instead of equality. Mapping from Z to Zn is not one-to-one. Infinite member of Z can map to one member of Zn. For example, the result of 2 uh, more 10 equal to 2, right? If generally we see that, don't see this example. In previously, what we do in the mode 2 more 10 which is equal to 2, how? And 10 more 12 more 10 equal to 2, how? If you want to uh, see the modulo operation, how we perform, you can watch our previous video in which we explain how we perform the modulo operation. Similarly, if we got another example 22 mod 2, what is the solution? And so on. In modular arithmetic, integer like 2, 12, 22 are called concurrent mod 10. To show that two integers are concurrent, we use concurrent operator, which is like this. Okay, we add the phrase mod n to the right side of concurrence to define the value of modulus that make the relationship valid. In first example, we will see that 2 concurrence 12 mod n. If we go with the mod 2 mod 10, the result is, हम इसको इस तरह भी कह सकते हैं कि 12 mod 10 12 mod 10 अगर हम लें तो हमारे पास रिजल्ट क्या आएगा 2. इसी तरह अगर 2 mod 10 लें तो भी हमारे पास आंसर क्या आता है 2, which means that 2 is concurrent to 12 mod 10. Similarly, we will see the other example. 13 is concurrent to 23 mod 10. Now we will see, if we check 13 mod 10, what happened? 10 into 1 10, remainder is 3. We can say that the remainder is 3 if we do 13 mod 10. Similarly, we perform 23 mod 10, 10 into 2 20, 3 is the remainder. In second case also we will got the remainder is same. We can say that 13 is concurrent to 23. Similarly, we will see that 3 is concurrent to 8 mod 5. How? In this case, we will see, if we do 3 mod 5, what is the result? Which is 3, right? Similarly, if we do 8 mod 5, what will be the result? The result is 3. 5 ones are 5, remainder is 8. Okay. In 3 mod 5 we can say 5 0 are 0, the remainder is become 3. In the other example also, you will see 8 mod 5, we can say the result is 3. 5 ones are 5, 3 is the remainder, okay, from it. And similarly, 13 mod 5, 5 into 2, 10, the remainder is 3. We can say that 8 is concurrent to 13 mod 5. Here is the example for the concurrence concept, okay. The concurrence operator look like the equality operator, but there are differences. First, an equality operator map a number of z to itself. The concurrence operator map a member from z to member of z into n. Second, the equality operator is 1 to 1. The concurrence operator is many to 1. These are the major differences. Here you can see that the example for the concurrent relationship. If we do negative 8 mod 10, which is also equal to 2, 2 mod 10, which is equal to 2, 12 mod 10, which is also equal to 2, 22 mod 10, which is also equal to 2. Okay. Now we will see the residue classes. A residue class A or A into n is a set of integer concurrent modulo n. In the following example, n equal to 5, what we can see that the difference is with 0 if we go to the positive side with the difference of 5, 10, 15. Similarly, we will move to the negative side, negative 5, negative 10, negative 15. If the number is 1, what happens? If 1 plus 5 if we do, which is 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 5, 16. If similarly we go to negative side, 1 minus 5, what happens? 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, which is equal to n. So difference of minus 9 to minus 4 is also n. Similarly, the all other example have do the same procedure with the following example where we will fix n equal to 1. The concept of concurrence can be better understood with the use of circle. Let us we use a line to show the distribution of integer in z into n. Or z, okay. Here we can see that the distribution from here positive side to positive number, if we go to the other side we can see the other numbers. We can use a circle to show the distribution of integer in z into n. In this figure, show that the comparison of z and zn. Integer 0 to n minus 1 are spaced equally around a circle. all concurrent integer modulo n occupy the same point on the circle. Positive and negative integers from Z are mapped to the circle in such a way that there is symmetry between the relation. This is today lecture for the concurrence concept of concurrence. I hope all of you understand this concept. We will come up with the next video where we discuss the operation of concurrence concept. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.